Hello Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana kayo nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Capricorn, maraming salamat po. Nandito kayo sa ngayon. It's Christmas Day. So Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. May you have a very good Christmas this year and God bless you po. Una mensahe ninyo, Ten of Cups. Napakagandang blessing nito because this is happy family, this is domestic bliss. Saktong-sakto ito sa ngayon. It's Pasko and it's family gathering talaga. So maaaring merong masayang pamilya talaga kayo dito na nagtitipon-tipon, spending time together, no, as family. So masaya. What else? We have Hierophant. Ayan. So, Angel of Blessing. No? Nandito to bless you. Wow. Napakaswerte ninyo kasi maraming biyaya. No? Blessings. Maraming biyayang paparating sa inyo. Maraming magagandang bagay, sitwasyon ang ibibigay sa inyo ngayon ng universe. Maaaring these are the blessings that you've been waiting for, you've been hoping for, you've been praying for. This could be answered prayers, no? Na mga blessing na ito, Capricorn. Probably din ang iba sa inyo dito siguro ikakasal, no? Baka meron kayong wedding na pupuntahan or baka kayo mismo ang ikakasal. What else? We have Seven of Cups. Ayan, there's a lot of choices, no, na nasa inyong harapan sa ngayon. Marami kayong kailangang pagpilian, marami kayong kailangang attendan na mga mga choices, no? So siguro maaaring yung mga opportunities na to could come, no, na sabay-sabay, and that's going to overwhelm you. Kaya kung ano man ang mga pagpipilian ninyong ito, make sure that you think about it, no, many times. Alamin muna ninyo ang mga sitwasyon, ang mga nilalaman ng opportunities na to para hindi kayo magkamali. We have Five of Pentacles. Ayan. So siguro ang iba sa inyo dito is trying to isolate yourself. Kung ang iba sa inyo dito nakikipagsaya kasama ang ang ibang pamilya, ang iba naman sa inyo dito, this is the time for you that you want to spend alone, no? Spend time alone by yourself. So maybe you are isolating yourself sa ngayon from the crowd, from the busyness of the world, no? Mas gusto ninyong magmuni-muni, magnilay-nilay. Ang iba sa inyo gusto ninyong mapag-isa. What else? We have Six of Cups. Ayan. So, travel ito, Capricorn. Maybe talaga, since it's Christmas Day, Christmas season, siguro ang iba sa inyo really going to travel home to spend time or spend the Christmas season and celebrations with your family. No? Kaya masay-masay ang pamilya. So, travel is imminent for most of you, Capricorn. You're going to spend time with your family. At saka, ipapakita ninyo dito yung suporta ninyo, no, sa pamilya ninyo. Maaari din na mayroong mga sitwasyon ng pamilya ninyo sa ngayon wherein kailangan nila ng support in any way, pera, emotional support, whatever it is, no, nandiyan kayo. Ace of Cups. Wow, this is overflowing of blessings coming your way. So, maraming biyaya talaga, no, paparating. We have blessings energy. And Ace of Cups also are blessings din na pagsisimulan ninyo ito ng bagong buhay. There is an offer ang universe sa inyo rito, Capricorn, with the Ace of Cups, na something, biyayang ibibigay sa inyo, biyayang sobra-sobra para sa inyo. And this is going to give you an opportunity na makapagsimula kayo, no, sa kung anumang parte ng buhay ninyo to related na mga biyayang ito. So this could be in love, relationships, money, spiritual, no, it could be in any area of life, but this is definitely a new beginning, no. So magsisimula kayo dito ng bagong yugto sa buhay ninyo in some areas of life. Three of Pentacles. Yan. So, you're definitely going to take action. Okay? So, you're definitely going to take action now. At maaaring meron kayong mga plano in the past. At ngayon, you're going to take action. You're going to get on your feet and you're going to make things happen. So, kasi ngayon siguro mas malakas din ang inyong loob because may mga makaka-collaborate kayo sa ngayon. Maaring merong tulong, no? Merong dadating na tulong sa inyo rito that is going to support you, no? Sa kung ano man ang plano ninyo rito na gusto ninyo i-roll out, no? Kaya things will be easier for you sa ngayon dahil meron kayong support, meron kayong makakatulong. We have Two of Pentacles. Ayan. So, dito naman sa Two of Pentacles, juggling kayo. There's so many things. Siguro maraming offers, marami kayong iniisip na gusto ninyong gawin, gusto ninyong i-roll out, no? Kaya, maaaring mabusy talaga kayo sa ngayon. So, multitasking, diyan kayo magaling, Capricorn. You're very, you are a multitasker. Talent ninyo yan, pero always remember as well that kahit marami kayong kailangang gawin, don't forget to prioritize your well-being, your health, no? Yun muna ang i-prioritize ninyo. Maging maganda ang inyong pakiramdam, maging maayos, maging healthy kayo. So that even if you are going to multitask all the time, kayang-kaya ninyong gawin yan when you are on top of your health. Okay? So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.